This is the final video to fix the Assassin's Creed Shadows Helix Store error code ANIMUS 10-00003 so you can finally get back to your game. Are you tired of seeing this exact error message every time you try to buy items or browse the store? This problem usually happens because your game files cannot talk to the servers or your internet connection has a small hiccup. Most solutions you find on YouTube or social media are way too long and very hard to follow. Here at Rexist, we make things easy for everyone. There are 4 proven methods to fix this error right now, and I guarantee that at least one of them will work for you even if the problem seems very bad. You should pause this video now and try these methods one by one as they appear, or take screenshots so you do not miss anything. I will not explain the settings here because I want you to focus on the screen. These steps are simple and fast so anyone can do them. Make sure you follow the method step by step exactly as they are showing on the screen.